Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Jochen Onra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lathes in Okuma, Europe. Today I'm going to introduce our MULTUS U4000. Our MULTUS U series is always equipped with a main spindle and on the opposing side a tailstock or a sub-spindle. Then we have our H1 turret to carry the cutting tools on the upper side, and optional we can have a lower turret like on this machine. The MULTUS U4000 is our flexible machine for high batch, low volume or even up to mass production. In this case we have the main spindle as a big bore spindle to have bigger spindle bearings, more power and therefore more cutting performance. All our spindles are built for maximum lifetime. This is why we have 3 years warranty without any shift limitations. The Z-axis on our main spindle is equipped with our option high precision Z-axis. This means we have 36 million pulses per revolution. Additionally, we have an NCMT axis on the H1 turret. And from the control side, we have a tenth of a micron controller. This gives us all the performance which we need for full 5-axis machining. To do real 5-axis machining on the machine, we added our 5-axis machining software package, which contains super NURBS, tool center point control or inverse time feed. By this we can have the same cutting performance like on a 5-axis machining center. On the same time we have a complete free chip fall down to the chip conveyor. By having the NCB axis in the machine, we can have special functions like our B-axis turning. This means during the turning process with a round insert we can permanently index the B-axis and change the contact point between the insert and the material. This will reduce the tool wear, especially when we have hard to cut materials. Our machine here has a tool magazine which carries 120 prepared tools. This is important especially for flexible production, as we have the tools ready and don't need additional setup time. Another option on this machine is our auto touch setter. By the auto touch setter we can check the tool offset during the process, even with the front door closed. If the tool wear is too big, the operator will be informed to take measures accordingly. Please also check the other videos on our channels, and if you need further information, you can contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.